Diet plays a crucial role in brain health and reducing the risk of dementia. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, such as the Mediterranean diet, to nourish memory ability. Check out the link below in the description to learn more about starting the Mediterranean diet for beginners. Foods high in antioxidants, like berries and dark chocolate, protect against oxidative stress. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flaxseed, are particularly beneficial for brain health. Supplements like turmeric, which contains curcumin, and vitamins B6, B12, and folic acid, support cognitive function. Staying hydrated and avoiding processed foods and excess sugar is also essential for maintaining a healthy brain. This approach is a fundamental framework for addressing dietary factors as one of the 14 modifiable risk factors for dementia. It is possible to incorporate holistic lifestyle changes as part of an overall program to support good brain health throughout life. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for even more tips on how to boost brain and body health naturally.